I'm Attorney Stephen Stubbs. Judge Victor Miller of the Boulder City Municipal Court issued a gag order against me, an unconstitutional gag order that prevents me from saying anything negative against a public official, the Boulder City City Attorney, Steve Morris. Now, this is interesting because Steve Morris is Judge Miller's LDS stake president. Steve Morris is Judge Miller's ecclesiastic leader. That's the LDS and Mormon equivalent to the archdiocese of a Catholic church. Think about that. And I have a gag order that protects Judge Miller's ecclesiastic leader. Not only that, Judge Miller is the judge in this case. Judge Miller is supposed to be unbiased in this case. Judge Miller is supposed to be independent in this case. But when I challenged this gag order, Judge Miller hired Craig Anderson from Marquis and Arbach to fight my petition for writ challenging this unconstitutional gag order. Craig Anderson is the city's attorney on the civil case for the exact same matter. Why is that interesting? Because Nevada Rule of Professional Conduct 1.7 doesn't allow, it's conflicts of interest, doesn't allow for an attorney to represent somebody unless they are unified in purpose. Unified. In order for Craig Anderson to do this, he has to say that the parties involved are together. But Judge Miller is a judge in a case, a criminal case against my client. How the heck can he get a fair trial if the prosecution and the judge are together, so much so that they're using the same attorney? This is preposterous. Do you want to know what else is preposterous? Judge Miller, in his response to my petition for writ, talks about the incident. He talks about the case that's about to come before him, and he proclaims what the facts of the case are. He's essentially saying that my client is guilty before my client has a trial. That is the definition of prejudice. But Judge Miller, in his response to my petition for writ, to stop this unconstitutional gag order, decides to proclaim to the court with an attorney that would be an obvious conflict of interest if there were any ethics involved, proclaim to the court how my client is guilty. This is messed up. This is really, really messed up.